friends, welcome to Veggysio. Today I'm going to show you how to make Shahi Dum Biryani at home. Take one vessel and put 1 bowl of Basmati rice into it. Now rinse this 3 to 4 times with water and cover it with the lid. Put this aside for 2 to 3 hours. Take a vessel and pour hot water into it. Put this on a high flame. Put 1 big spoon of oil and 1 big spoon of salt. Now put a bay leaf, 1 big black cardamom, couple of cloves, piece of mace flour. And now put rice inside, which was soaked into water for 2 to 3 hours. We need to cook the rice 80% only because we have used hot water at the start, so 3 to 4 minutes are more than enough to cook the perfect rice for the biryani. After 3 to 4 minutes, check and drain. Now spread the rice into big plate. This will keep rice perfect. Now let us start preparing masala for biryani. Take a frying pan now and keep it on a high flame. Put 2 big tablespoons of oil and ghee, then put 1 spoon of cumin seeds. Now put 1 spoon of ginger and 1 spoon of garlic paste. Put 1 big dice cut onion and capsicum and cover the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. Now put 2 diced cut tomatoes. Mix it well. Now put 1 small spoon of salt, turmeric, red chili powder and garam masala powder. Put 100 grams of cashew nuts and 100 grams of raisins along with 150 grams of paneer cubes. Mix all well and cover the lid for 3 to 4 minutes. Now put half glass of water and again cover the lid for 7 to 10 minutes on slow flame. Let us start now to prepare tempering of biryani. Take 1 small frying pan, put 1 small spoon of ghee, then put 2 split chilies, 1 big black cardamom and 1 green cardamom. Now put 1 small glass of milk and put grated nutmeg along with saffron. Let us layer everything properly. Take a frying pan. Spread half of the masala we made and layer with the similar amount of rice on top of it. Then pour our prepared tempering on it and sprinkle some coriander. Please repeat this step once more. Now put 1 spoon of kevra water and rose water. Now cover the lid and seal it with the dough. Please refer to my separate recipe for dough. Leave it on slow flame for 15 to 20 minutes. And it's done! Please like, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.